Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vishal Gaikwad and today I am going to present on facility location. What is facility location? According to Professor R.C. Davis, the function of determining where the plant should be located for maximum operating economy and effectiveness. According to Bethel Smith and L. Water, facility location stands for that spot where, in consideration of a business as a whole, the total cost of production and delivering goods to all the customer is the lowest. Need for selection of location for starting a new organization, for the existing organization, and for global location. Case of selecting a location for the first time for new organization. When selecting a plant location for a newly established organization, the cost factor needs to be considered. One should consider that the business is going to operate for indefinitely long period of time. Identification of region. Some key factors like availability of technology, marketing, internal management, regional resource availability, social and legal environment, geographical positioning, operating facilities, etc. influence the decision about the location. Choosing a site in a region. After the region has been duly selected, the next step is the identification of the site within that particular region. Selection of a site is remotely related with the long-term strategy of the organization. Various alternative sites can be considered and evaluated in terms of both tangible as well as intangible cost. Dimensional analysis. It would be better and easy if the cost can be quantified and were tangible in nature. The answer would have been straightforward and the location having minimum cost would have been automatically been selected. But in majority of the case, intangible cost expressed in relative terms over the absolute terms are considered. The benefits and limitation could have been compared easily. While selecting a location for an existing organization, an existing organization requires multiple plant locations or wishes to shift from existing location to extract economies to scale. The new location may dwell within the existing location itself or may require a distinct location. The following factors are considered in this case. Plant manufacturing different products. Ideally, a plant should be able to cater the requirement of the total market of the organization. This strategy holds the key to satisfying the technological and other needs of alternate product lines and channel. Manufacturing plants supplying to specific market area. In the case, every plant of a company manufactures all the products that the company deals in. However, the setup requires a very high degree of coordination between the corporate office and manufacturing unit. Plants divided on the basis of process or stages in manufacturing. Sometimes the product may pass through several stages before final completion, and all stages or processes may not be even completed in one plant setup. That is, different processes are carried out in different plant layouts. Such may be made to factors like availability of equipment, labor, technology, or even management's policy. Since the output of one plant is the input of other plant, extreme coordination is required in this case, and the control by the head office should be exercised. Plant emphasizing flexibility. The layout demands coordination among various plants to cater to the change in the requirement while managing the use of various resources and the facilities if regular changes are made in long-term strategies of the company. The same may not be healthy sign for the organization. While finalizing a particular location for a plant, its long-term sustainability and availability to incorporate the change in the requirement should be judged beforehand. Following methods may be adopted to increase the capacity of existing organization. Expanding the facility in the existing site. The facility may be expanded only if it does not ultravise the philosophy, strategies, purpose of the organization. That is, while expanding, no compromise should be made with the quality of the customer service. Location, closing down of the facilities. This is the major decision for the organization. In case of some extreme circumstances that require strategic decision, only then the relocation is preferred. The valid reasons may be technology, availability of resource, etc. In case of global location, virtual proximity. The advancement that is made in telecommunication sector has brought the concept of virtual proximity into the picture. In firms that are in line of producing the software service, majority of workplace takes place through this route. High-end communicating devices are used to share information through long distance. Virtual factories, especially in USA and UK, majority of the large size service or the manufacturing units outsource a part of their work to location like India, where the technology and labor force is available and work can be carried out at a lesser cost, thus investing and developing own operations and substitute by utilizing the facility of other by paying a nominal cost. Importance of facility location. Fixation of the production technology and cost structure. Determine nearness of the location from the market. Better service to the customer. Withstand competition. Select the best location. Factors affecting location decision are in manufacturing operation are dominant factors and secondary factors. Dominant factors are availability of raw material, favorable labor working environment, integration with other parts of organization, proximity to the market, quality of life, proximity to the supplier and resources, safety requirement, availability of useful service, utilities, taxes and real estate cost. Then secondary factors. Factors affecting facility location decision in service operations. Dominant factors: proximity to customer, integration with other parts of organization, transportation cost and its proximity to the market, location of the competitors, etc. Then there are secondary factors. Techniques of facility location: factor rating system, weighted factor rating method, location break-even analysis, simple median mode, transportation method of linear programming, load distance, centroid method, minimax location model. Thank you.